What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, what I want to go over is how to make over $100 per day on YouTube without making videos. Yes, you do not need to record yourself. So you don't need no fancy camera, okay? You don't even need the newest GoPro. There's no need for it. And honestly, you don't even need the most up-to-date smartphone either. You can do this straight from your computer, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's very simple. It's very easy. Just follow what I show you. Now, if you have questions along the way, all you got to do is comment down in the comment section below, and I'll help you out there. So let's get into it. So here we are on YouTube, okay? YouTube is going to be the platform we are going to use. Obviously, that's why you're here. You want to make $100 per day on YouTube? You need to use YouTube. Now, here's one thing that I want to show you, okay? Look at this. Here is a channel. Now, yeah, it has a decent amount of subscribers. Don't look at the subscriber count. That doesn't matter at this point. What you want to look at is what is this person actually creating videos on, okay? And the reason why I say this is because if you can replicate what other people are doing, then if they're seeing success, you should find your own level of success as well. So, look at this, okay? They got a bunch of different videos. This one that was done 3 days ago, okay? Right here. This video right here that was streamed 3 days ago, or 4 days ago actually, has over 100,000 views, okay? The reason why I show you this is because, well, first off, it's very simple. It's very basic. You see it's just changing a little bit. These are just pictures and videos. There is some sound. Okay, there is some sound, and this thing is 11 hours long. This is just going to help you sleep. It's going to help you relax, meditate. It's just calming, right? Now, let's say somebody watches this for all 11 hours, or they play this while they sleep. That's great. That means you have 11 hours of watch time from one single person. But you're probably wondering, okay, but how do I make something like that? Or how much money would something like this actually make me? Well, let me show you this, okay? This body mind zone. If I go to Social Blade, which is a free tool, you can use it. Go to socialblade.com and you put in their channel, Body Mind Zone. If you scroll down here, it tells you what their estimated earnings are per day. Or if you scroll down a little further, down here it tells you what their estimated earnings are for the last 30 days. My guess, based on being that they're kind of in the music niche, they're probably making, I'd say, about 3 times this number. So about 3 times this number. They're probably doing about $4,000 per month from this channel at least. Okay, $4,000 a month is, it's very, and the music niche is very low. They don't pay a lot, but they do pay a little bit. Okay, but that's just one. Let me show you this one. Okay, I just typed in best tourist places in Hawaii. That's what I typed in, and I landed on a bunch of different videos. Okay, and if we go to this one right here, Mojo Travels. Okay, that's what I clicked on, and here we are. Now, here's what you need to understand. I'm going to show you how you can make all these things in just a second. Just bear with me. But you come here, and you got all these different videos. 5 days ago, 6 days ago, a week, 1 week, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Okay, all these different videos. They're getting a decent amount of traffic. Okay? But here's what you need to understand. If you go to their video, look at this. I'm going to pause the sound. We don't need to hear. It's just the lady talking right now. But all it is, okay? Let me speed it up for you as well. Let's go 2 times speed. There we go. All this is, they are playing a bunch of individual pictures. Like this is a picture. They have some video clips, but all they're doing is a compilation of a bunch of different clips, videos, images, sounds, putting it all together. Obviously adding some text overlay and
actively tried to promote the tourism industry since the early
here
90s. International sanctions,
the lady's
military government, and
actually
human rights
talking.
violations have understandably scared people off. And
okay, so that's all they're doing is they're putting a bunch of compilations together and making it an entire video. For this example, top 10 travel destinations in Southeast Asia for your next trip by Mojo Travels. Well, here's how you do this. First off, there's a couple websites. There are a few websites that are free to use. You can use their images, their pictures, and even their sounds. Some require you to give them credit, and others, they don't care. So let me show you this. Okay, I'm going to click on videos. And I'm going to come here and I'm just going to type in Asia. So now, if I scroll down, you can see all these different videos right here. This is Thailand. Okay, this is the Gobi Desert. Okay, this is some Asian rock mountain, whatever. Okay, these are people in Asia. And you can take any of these things. Okay, so let's say I want to get the Gobi Desert right here. I would click on that. And then I click on free download. And it says right here, free for commercial use, which I'm going to use it for YouTube. So I'd go and download this. And it also says no attribution required, which means we do not have to credit Pixabay or this person right here for this video. We just don't have to. They don't require it. So we can take this and we can use it as we wish. Okay? So that's with Pixabay. Another one you can use is called Pexels, pexels.com. So I come here and let's say I type in, let's say street food. If I can type right. Street food, right? There we go. I type that in. And now we come here and there's videos. Okay, there's pictures, there's photos. Let's say this is the one I want, right? I just come over here and I grab it. Click it, download it. But then when you click download, here's what it's going to show you. Okay? Well, not this. It already downloaded it, so that didn't really work. But normally with Pexels.com, they usually ask that you give them their attribution. So I click free download. I guess it's not doing it. Okay, so that one I guess we don't have to. No big deal. So we'll just take that image or take that video and we'll put this one along with this one. And then we also need some sounds, right? Well, there's a cool website out there called bensound.com, which has royalty-free music. However, you do have to, okay, give them credit. Okay, it's royalty-free. However, it tells you right here how you give them credit. It's free license with attribution right there. Okay, so all you gotta do on your YouTube channel is you gotta write one of these, either music by bensound.com or royalty-free music by bensound. Okay, it's that simple. That's all you have to do in order to start making money, make over $100 per day on YouTube without actually being on camera. Again, don't need a fancy camera. All you need is some editing software. That's it. Okay, for $20 a month, you can get the best editing software out there. You can get Adobe Premiere Pro, or you can put these together with free software as well. Okay, so here's the last thing I would do, because we got some video from Pixabay, we got videos from Pexels right here, we also got some sound from Bensound. However, there's one other thing you can do. If you go, okay, so if I type in Asia, just like that, okay, or Asian culture, okay, now you got all these different images, right? Or let's say Asian beach. There we go. So let's say I want to use some of these pictures, right? All you gotta do is go to images on Google, click on tools, go to usage rights, and click on labeled for reuse. Now if you want to modify them, you gotta click on labeled for reuse with modification. But I don't plan on modifying them. I'm gonna go for labeled for reuse. I can take any of these pictures right here. Let's say I want to talk about the fun things to do, right? And so I want to talk about this guy and what he's doing. Okay, or I want to talk about how you can go on a boat in Thailand. I can take this picture, I can zoom in, zoom out, I can pan my image, I can do all this different stuff. Okay, let's say I want to talk about the volleyball scene, okay, in Asia, right? I could do that. Maybe I want to talk about the tourists, okay, the different, the little scenery right here, all the different tourists out there, right? I can do all that. And the best part about that is you can create stuff very similar to this one right here.
And various social issues continue to be.
Shut the sound off. Look at this. All they're doing, there's a video right there. Okay, another video. And then you got an image. It's so simple. It's so easy to make money on YouTube these days. Okay, let's say you don't want to do anything like that, and you want to do something on like the best computer parts 2020, right? Maybe that's what you want to do. And so you come here, and let's say, or let's do this. Best Horizon CPU for gaming, right? Maybe that's what you want to do. And now all you gotta do is talk about the different things. Okay? See, I'm gonna open up this one so you can see this video. I think this one's gonna do it, but we will find out in just a second. But all you have to do, watch this. Okay? Now we're gonna watch this little ad for a second, and then we will skip it. Okay? But here's all you gotta do. Look at this. Okay? Look how simple that is. They're just showing the hardware. That's all they're doing in this. Just showing hardware. Have a little bit of text overlay. Have the product right there. Okay? Now, person is talking, and you can go ahead and talk over it as well. Do a voiceover, but you don't have to. That's the best part about the strategy. Is that as long as you do compilations, just like this, you don't even need the physical products. You can do videos on just about anything and start making some money. So that's all I wanted to show you guys today. That if you want to make money and make over $100 per day on YouTube without making videos, use Pixabay, use Pexels, use bensound.com, use Google, and also go and pay for some services if you want to. And then you can really start making some money. So if you have any questions on how to make money using this technique, let me know. Come back, comment down in the comment section below, let me know how I can help you out, and I'll be willing to do so. So again, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, comment down in the comment section below. Like always, smash that thumbs up button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.